Hi, I'm Dr. Kibet, and I want us to look at how to make students focus on learning. Teachers need to use a number of ways to enable learners focus and concentrate on learning. A student's visual focus and attention can meander around the room due to many distractions which comes from other students, coming from teachers, doors opening, windows, lights, bulletin boards, whiteboards, computer screens. So lots of distractions leads to lack of focus in learning. So there are many different strategies that teachers can use to help students focus in the classroom. Sometimes it's not about distraction, but about the difficulty level of the content. So in this new slide, I want us to look at the strategies that teachers can actually use to help students focus on learning. 1. Reduce visual distractions in the room, such as pictures on the walls, mobiles, or hanging objects. Many children in highly decorated classrooms are more distracted, spend more time off task, and demonstrated smaller learning gains than when the decoration were removed. Number 2, modify worksheets by reducing non-essential visual stimuli. When a teacher makes copies of a worksheet, try covering up and pictures, fancy borders, etc. to reduce visual clutter. Number 3, provide only one task or assignment at a time. And by providing one task at a time, the students are able to concentrate fully on a task at a time. Number 4, use preferential seating. For example, sit the students close to the front of the room to reduce distractions of other students. Number 5, use contrasting colors to increase visual focus. For example, you can use different colored chalks on blackboard or whiteboard or color code outlines. Number 6, cover up shelving with games materials with a shade. This is a great technique in early elementary classrooms. There can be many temptations to want to play or touch other materials in the classroom. And if the students cannot see them, the visual distraction will be reduced or eliminated. Number 7, use natural sunlight or lamps instead of fluorescent lighting. Natural light has less or no distraction at all. Fluorescent lighting, especially colored ones, has actually a lot of distraction effects on learners. Number 8, minimize criticisms and maximize positive reinforcement. Criticisms can have a derogatory effect on students' participation. Thus, it should be avoided when possible. Number 9, just as I've said in number 8, I'm saying use positive reinforcement. Praise students appropriately. And number 10, divide learning tasks into smaller sub-skills. Lessons should be divided into manageable units so that students do not feel overwhelmed by the extent of a particular complicated lesson. 11, the sub-lessons should be presented in a logical sequence and in a manageable size while ensuring that students have the necessary background to understand the lesson presented. 12, encourage students' participation. Students' involvement is critical for holding attention during class time. Passive listening, while at times necessary, often provides an opportunity for distraction. 13, lessons should be well planned for students' participation. And finally, use a sense of humor. The sense of humor can work wonders for students' attentiveness and comfort. Stressed-out students have difficulty learning and paying attention. That marks or brings to the end. We have come to the end of my presentation, where we've been discussing about how to make students focus on learning. If you like this video, kindly subscribe. You can like, or you can even share it with a friend. Thank you.